Always a movie. Are you trying to take a picture of him? Or no?
Stop! Put your head down.
Oh my god, please don't cut the thing off my neck.
I'm not going to cut anything off your neck.
It's really warm. Oh! That is sharp too! Ah!
What? Let me see.
It either burned me or cut me.
It didn't cut you.
That's really warm. It's hot.
Turn around.
Oh, it did cut me. Look at all that blood.
Where?
My finger. Ah, stop. I'm bleeding.
You're not bleeding. Get over
Yes,
here.
I am. Then what is that? Yeah, it is blood.
Let me see.
How are you seeing that from over there?
No, yeah, there is. There's a little.
Oh, on your the mole.
No, it's not the mole.
It
It's because you're moving.
Let's see. Come here.
Stop
Come here.
moving.
Turn around.
Ow.
Turn around. Okay. Go sit down.
Oh,
You are moving.
You can't move.
it's too sharp. I didn't move.
You didn't move. Come on. All right. Let me just see if it's even. Don't move.
Is it even?
I gotta look at the back. Sit. Here, you can hold it.
Okay.
Can I just do a little bit right there?
What? No.
All right.
You made me bleed.
Okay, but you know how silly the back of your head looks right now.
But it hurts.
You need a break?
Yeah.
Okay.
It hurts.